I haven't been posting many quick tips on YouTube. You know, all the excuses, I guess. New equipment, things breaking down, haven't had much content to share anyway. The quick tip for today is super simple. It's how to square up your camera when you're photographing your artwork. This works whether you're photographing using an old-fashioned film camera, a digital camera, a video, or your smartphone. The secret is to use a small compact mirror. Ladies, you probably already have one. Guys, they're incredibly handy beyond makeup touch-ups. You can reflect light into those difficult to see places, see what's behind really tricky, delicate, tiny things. You can even use them to flash for help when you need assistance, such as in those disaster movies. The technique is very simple. Place the mirror in the middle of your artwork, then position your camera so that you can see it directly, its reflection directly in the mirror through your viewfinder or screen. Once you've done this, your camera and artwork are in the right position. You actually don't even need to use a tripod or fancy gantry unless you really want to. If you're shooting something on an easel or a wall, have someone hold the mirror for you. If you're way above or below the position necessary and you won't see the camera, just move the camera around until you can see the camera reflection in the middle of the viewfinder again. Most modern software will allow you to fix these distortions afterwards, but you probably got the right software to use it, but it's complex and hard to use and you don't often use it. So it's much better to get your distortion all fixed in camera before you take the picture of your precious artwork. See ya.